Hey Sunshines! So, weekly video that goes over your remote work. You're in Google Classroom, go to remote work, open up your remote work schedule. Wait for it to load. So, we did Monday and Tuesday in person. Wednesday, you need to do attendance by 3 p.m. You need to finish your country and culture jigsaw. You need to have this done for Monday. Our class depends on it. Thursday, attendance. There's a student survey linked right here. Please do fill this out. I am going to look at them to get your input on things. There's a video that overviews it. And then this is the survey. I'm going to look at this and try and make our class an experience that will be beneficial and meaningful for all of us. So look at that. Also finish your country and culture jigsaw. You gotta have it done for Monday. Friday, attendance. Last chance, finish up country and culture jigsaw. Monday, again, depends on it because I'll show you a preview of our weekly slides. This is what we did today, except minus that. We'll do that next week. Next Monday, on November 2nd, we'll do our check-in, and then you will share, you're going to share country and culture jigsaw with me. And then you're going to compile your create a culture slides. I have a template for you, so you can just work on housing all of your information in one spot, and you're going to share that with me so that then I can compile these jigsaws and then your creative cultures into one big slideshow. And we on Tuesday will have our virtual culture fair, and that means that everything is going to be in one slideshow. You will look through the slideshow and you'll have kind of a checklist, and you'll have a document that'll walk you through how to go through this culture fair, and you will finally, in the end, create one culture, pick all the aspects you want, but you gotta tell me why. You gotta tell me why they're important for your culture. So getting your work done remotely, our week next week depends on it. That is it. As always, email me if you have any questions. Come to office hours tomorrow at 10:30 if you need them. That's Wednesday because it's Tuesday right now. All right. Bye-bye.